Hi guys, welcome back to a new video into my What I Got for Christmas 2022. So this video was supposed to go up before New Year, but I have to listen to my body. My body was not telling me to film whatsoever in between Christmas and New Year. And I also spent 2 of the first days in this new year in bed, not feeling that well. So therefore this video is coming a little bit later than usual, but I still wanted to get it out just because this is one of my most requested videos and I just love to watch these videos. Every time I see somebody post a What I Got for Christmas video, I click in immediately just because I love it so much. I think this is a great way to get ideas for next year and also what you can give as gift for friends and family throughout this year, and also stuff to add on to your own wish list. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell and put on your post notifications so you will not miss a future upload. I have an annual holiday giveaway that is still live. It will be live until January 15, so you still have a little bit of time to enter. So I will leave that link down below so you can just click on that link to enter the giveaway. I will also leave the link to the giveaway video up here, so you can just click that in if you're new and you haven't subscribed and you haven't entered. So without further ado, if you want to see what I got for Christmas 2022, then please keep watching. So the first thing I received for Christmas is this anti-aging facial massage gift set. This I got from my brother and sister-in-law and I just am obsessed. I've always actually wanted to try this out and it feels so cool. It also comes with this little massage thing here as well. So I will definitely keep you updated on this set, how I feel like it works, but I can just imagine how incredible nice this will be in the morning when you are a little bit puffed under your eyes and your face is a little bit swollen. It will be so nice to add something cool and just roll and give your face a lymphatic massage. So next up, they know me so well, I also got this Gucci beauty gift set. Love the packaging as always. You guys know that Gucci is like my favorite brand. And I got the absolutely newest perfume, which is the Gucci Flora Gorgeous Jasmine. It also comes with a little travel refill thing. And I already have the Gorgeous Gardenia, so I'm very excited about the Gorgeous Jasmine as well. This is a little bit fresher, a little bit more masculine, and a little bit more citrusy and stronger compared to this one because this is very sweet. So I am excited to finally have something that I necessarily wouldn't go out and buy myself, but I actually love the scent, so I'm very excited. So next up, I got some hair care product. This is my favorite brand as well, and this is the Kevin Murphy Repair Me Rinse. So this is the Reconstructing Strengthening Conditioner. I've used this on and off for the past 3 years, I would say. Absolutely love it. Always need a backup, so thank you for that. Then I also got the Absolute Repair Golden Mask from L'Oreal Professional. This mask contains protein. It also contains gold quinoa and it is for dry and damaged hair with a lightweight touch. I actually haven't tried this before, so I'm very excited and I definitely needed some new hair care products. One thing that I love to get for Christmas are products that I use on a daily and stuff that you cannot live without. Next up, I also got a candle. This is a scented candle that is called Winter Wonderland. I think this is so cute and I will definitely save this for next year and take it out. I will keep it with my Christmas decor since it is a Winter Wonderland candle and it smells so good. It smells a little bit like fresh, woody, but yet sweet. So I'm very excited about this one. So I also got that for Christmas. So next up, we got these battery operated candles. And I think these look so good. They're actually very big as well. It also comes with a remote that makes me very excited. This will make my life so much easier. And also I can have it cozy because it's still very dark. It is 3:30 outside and it is pitch black. So it's very cozy to have candles, and now that I'm running low on my actual candles, and I struggle to find very big ones like this that doesn't have any harmful ingredients. So I'm very happy about this one. This will come so in handy, so thank you so much, and I will definitely put this to use right away. Next up, I got a beautiful new pajama from Ralph Lauren. Absolutely love this. Of course I love the color as well. You guys know that pink is kind of my vibe. I really love the fabric. It is pink and white. It has all of these small checks. The pants also comes with a ribbon and you can actually tie them. So cozy, so long. Can't wait to cozy up in this one, especially now for spring when it gets a little bit lighter. I love a good PG. If you know me, you know that I cannot sleep without PGs. I have to have something warm and cozy on. I'm always freezing, so this will come so in handy, and I'm very, very happy. This was exactly what I wished for, and I was just so incredible happy when I opened it. I also got this cute little keychain right here that has an L on it with a lot of sparkles in, and also this little ball. I love keychains. I collect them every time I'm traveling. I buy a lot of keychains. So on my actual car keys, I have one keychain from every place that I've actually been. I'm not carrying that around because it weighs a lot, but I still love them. But this I feel like will be so cute on my car keys, so I would definitely add this one. It makes it easy to find and easy to carry around. Then this is one of my favorite pieces that I have gotten this year, like completely gotten this year, and that is this beautiful knitted jacket from Karl Lagerfeld. Just look at the fabric, look at the pattern. It is so classic, so Chanel. Absolutely love it, and this is called the buckle knit cardigan. So I am completely in love with this jacket. I can't wait to rock it now that it gets a little bit warmer outside with a beautiful pair of faux leather jeans or a beautiful pair of white pants. So I fell in love with this jacket the minute I saw it in the store, and I'm so blessed that my husband actually picked it up for me and gave me this for Christmas, because this was on the top of my list. Like, I was so excited for this one, and I can't wait to wear it. Just look at these. Look at the color of the box. Look at the color of the glasses. You guys know that I love Starbucks. I'm obsessed. Like, every day at work, I go and grab myself a Starbucks. I spend a lot of money on vanilla lattes. I love the color. I love the kind of Tiffany teal color mixed with the pink. These glasses are so beautiful, you guys. I am obsessed. Like, look how cute these are. These will look so cute for summer. I can't wait to have my smoothies in these. So next up, I got myself a pair of moon boots this Christmas, and I'm so excited. I have actually been going back and forth on getting them, but you guys know that I'm always on the mountain. We are traveling a lot to very cold places. I also live in Norway, which is a very cold and dark place in the winter time. So I'm very excited about these ones. I wore these actually last weekend when we went to the mountain, and I didn't get cold on my feet once. So next up, I also got these beautiful placemats. I got 4. I love when I get like Christmas decor and Christmassy stuff for Christmas, just because I love to collect Christmas stuff. You guys know it's my favorite holiday. I decorate the whole house. This year I had 3 Christmas trees in my living room area, just because I love Christmas so much, and you can probably see my excitement. But I'm very excited about these ones. I don't have anything like this. I think these will look so cute for next year. So I can't wait to do my table next year. Next up, I also got 2 beanies, which makes me very excited. So the first one I got from my parents, and this is from the brand called Fluss Alp. And as you can see, this is gorgeous. Love this beanie so much. It is very thick, very sturdy, and it also has that perfect color. It is not bright white. It is a little bit of a cream color that I really love. It also actually goes very well with my sweater today. So I am very excited about this beanie. And then I also got another one from Burton. You guys know I love Burton. It is my favorite brand of all times when it comes to sport gear, winter gear, snowboard gear. Absolutely love it. And this beanie as well goes so well to this sweater. So I have a big beanie obsession, and this year I'm very grateful that I got 2 new beanies to my collection. Beanies that I don't have anything with this style. This I love as well because I can use this underneath my helmet when I'm snowboarding, and this also goes very well to all my ski stuff that I have going on. Next up, I also got a pair of base layer. This is from the brand Cardigan, and this is 100% merino wool as well. Absolutely love these sets. You've probably seen me talk about these before on my channel, and they are a little bit expensive, so I'm always so grateful when I get a set for Christmas. So I don't have this gray one, and on the back it is a little bit pink. Can't wait to rock these. I really needed a new one because these get so used. I have them on pretty much all winter long, especially when we are at the mountain, when we are skiing, snowboarding, and this comes so in handy. I love these. Wear it on a daily. Love when I get stuff that I will get to use. So I also got this cute lounge set right here. So these feels so soft and I'm very excited. So these are from Primark actually, and I'm sure maybe you can find them still, but they are so soft. I love the fabric. It is kind of Christmassy as well, so I can't wait to cozy up with this one, with a blanket, a cup of tea, and a book. I really want to improve myself this year, and I really want to read a lot, learn a lot, and focus on my inner health, my inner being, and myself. Then I also got 2 coffee mugs from Lexington. These are so incredible cute. Love that they're beige and white, my new favorite colors. Really love these. These will also come so in handy now that I drink tea pretty much from I wake up until I go to bed. I love tea. I'm in a big tea phase. I am all about new healthy habits, drinking a lot of tea, a lot of herbs, detoxing, cleansing my system, staying away from toxic and all of that. So these will come so in handy, so I'm very, very excited. Then I also got 2 of these loaf thins from Le Creuset, which is my favorite brand when it comes to pots and pans and plates and all of that. This year I want to bake more myself, make everything myself, make my own granola, make my own banana breads, make healthy gluten-free breads as well, without any corn, without any adjectives and oils and stuff that I don't want to have in my food anymore. So I'm very excited about these 2. I got 2 different shapes, so I will definitely leave these down below if you want to check them out. I love bakeware. I'm so excited. I feel like that's the sign that I'm getting old, because I love to receive plates, I love to receive kitchen stuff, I love to receive bakeware for Christmas. I am just so excited about adult stuff, so I guess that kind of proves that I'm over 30. And now to the most exciting thing, and this is also the reason to why I didn't get white moon boots for Christmas, because of what's inside here. So I'm very excited. So let's go ahead and open it up. Everything comes so nicely packaged. This is a dream come true. Like, I am so excited. Some might think these are not their fit, but these are like totally me, and I am very, very, very excited. Oh my god, can you see these? Like, I am so happy about these ones. So when I saw these, I was in love. I was instantly in love. I knew that I had to get them, and now I have them and they're so beautiful. I'm so happy. I have a full plan on how I'm gonna style these. I got a new jacket when I was in Spain last month, as you saw in the vlog, and I cannot wait to style these with that jacket. I will cherish these forever, since they are also a limited edition shoe. I have added a lot of stuff to my wish list from the new collection, the afterski collection I'm obsessed with. Definitely be sure to check that out. I will leave the link down below if you are interested in checking these out. So that was everything that I got for Christmas 2022. I'm very grateful, and I'm beyond excited for a new year, new plans, new me, and all of that goodness. 2022 was not a good year for me. I was sick from March until now, and I'm still not completely healed, but I have more good days than I've had in a long time. Even if I have more bad days compared to good days, I at least have at least 3 good days, which is better than nothing. So I'm very grateful, and I'm very excited for this new year. I'm excited to go on my inner journey and experience myself, be kind to myself, stop the negativity, stop the bad habits. I'm really gonna explore myself and explore more meditation and evolve as a human being and just spread positivity. Let's make 2023 our year, the best year yet. I'm feeling all the positive vibes. I know it's gonna be a better one than the one I'm leaving behind. I am beyond grateful, and I am very happy that I got to have the Christmas I had. Even if I was nauseous and I have had a terrible year, I at least have friends and family that I could celebrate with, and I'm so, so grateful. I know that it has been a hard year, not only for me when it comes to my health, but for a lot of people, because things are very expensive at the moment and things are crazy. Be sure to check out my annual holiday giveaway. I really want to give back to one of you guys. I want to do good where I can, and I want to give away what I can. So therefore, be sure to check out that giveaway if you are interested in having the chance to win some free stuff. Happy New Year, and let's make 2023 the best one yet. So without further ado, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.